guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to do a natural hairstyle for y'all. So this is going to be a Fro-hawk. I just randomly wanted to try out a Fro-hawk on my hair. A Fro-hawk, so it's a fro and a mohawk style way. So I'm gonna try to do it today. I'm not an expert. This is gonna be a how-to, but also me learning how to do it, so bear with me. But let's go ahead and get right into it. I'm gonna start with telling you guys what products and what stuff I'm gonna use. So the products that I'm gonna use for my hair are, well, first and foremost, you're gonna need rubber bands, elastic bands, and then I'm going to use this Murray's Edge Wax just to get my edges sleek and nice and whatever. And then I'm going to use my Cantu Leave conditioner. I have a little bit left, but I'm going to try to use as much as I can to smooth out my hair. And then just in case, just to get my hair looking real spiffy, you know, I'm gonna take some bobby pins, because sometimes bobby pins work for everything. And yeah, and then I'm just gonna use this comb for parting and this comb to kind of like brush my hair and get it in the way that I need to get it. But how I want to do this is basically I want my front bang here to really be all in my face. I also want the back to be pretty long. What I'm gonna first do is divide my hair in like half. I'm gonna spray a little bit of water. Oh, I have my spray bottle too, but this is just because I want my hair to be a little moisturized so I can easily part it. Oh, okay. I kind of like parting with my hands, but you can get it precise if you want, use your comb or whatever, but yeah, I'm just gonna do that. Just say what you want to say. I'll be back. Alright, so I pretty much got this part. Is not perfect or freaking well. It doesn't have to be. And I have my back here. So I'm going to tie up the front because I'm going to work on the back. Alright, so what I'm going to do is add some conditioner in here and a little bit of water. And I'm going to part this in half. Okay, well, it's not really half, but I'm just going to pull down this little part down here, and I'm just going to make this its own section. I'm going to add some of this edge wax. Next step is this big boy, big body. For this part, I'm going to leave it pretty loose. So I'm just going to tie it around once. Alright, and then my top baby right here, I'm going to do is, I really want this front part to be in front of my hair, so I'm going to take kind of like diagonal little part right here. here. Okay, so now I'm going to go to my most important part, which is the front here, because I want it to kind of sit in my face. But I do want to kind of pull out a little bit of an edge, you know. So let's pull this out a little bit. You know, my edges don't really be doing anything. Like, okay, so then let's throw in more of our conditioner. And then, by the way, it's a leave-in conditioner, so if you're wondering, you know, I'm not at least using regular conditioner, it's leave-in. Okay, so I'm gonna do this, and then I'm going to get that hair all moisturized. Yes. Especially get them ends. Get them ends. Alright, that's what I'm talking about. I could just leave it, but okay, so I don't know how I'm gonna do this front part. So I think I'm just going to literally, yeah, okay, so I'm just going to throw on some of this, some of the gelatin with my hands. It's like, alright, so I'm gonna get another tie. I'm going to wrap this about the tightest that I can. Probably just around 3 times. And then, so, alright, so I really want this to hang. So what I'm gonna do is get a little bit of the gel and kind of like twist these just a little bit, get a little bit out, twist. Now for the real deal, let's shoot these edges. And that's our beautiful Fro-hawk. So I'm gonna show you guys all the way around this beauty because I want you guys to see how amazing this Fro-hawk is. So let me give you guys a 360 view of the hair. Brilliant. Okay, so I'm actually loving this so much. Like, alright guys, so this is the Fro-hawk. Let me know how you guys feel about it. I love this. Honestly, I've always wanted to do a kind of Fro-hawk, but I kind of didn't really know how to do it, but I know that it's really easy to do. So if you try it, let me know. Let me know how you guys feel about it. I feel like a whole stallion right now. Like, you can't tell me nothing. Like, but yeah, so thank you guys for checking out this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Bye guys. Also, if you want more hair tutorials, let me know down below, and what hair tutorials would you want to see, or any suggestions. You can always leave that down below as well. I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.